The thing about ceramics that I like is the material, clay itself, and the properties that clay has, which is that it's very plastic and malleable, meaning that you can basically make anything out of this mud. Sand, water, clay, as soon as you start working with it, you can make any form or shape. I'm a molecular biologist. I was looking at molecules quite regularly under the microscope. And that compelled me to really translate the molecules, the shapes, the forms, the way they interact inside a cell. The images that I was encountering were really striking for me. I really wanted to find a medium to translate the shapes, the forms, but also the storylines in biology. So like, how molecules operate, how do they interact with each other, how do they function to give an overall function to the cell. So it's the idea of they're alive, they're not stationary, they're not static objects that just exist in biology. So I find that dynamic aspect quite interesting. I guess in my head I kind of relate that to people. So in terms of my roots, which are from Pakistan, it has quite a strong culturally rich heritage. There are elements in the two cultures that I've grown up through into my work. And I think the one thing that strikes me immediately is the idea of simplicity. I think my practice, it's quite a mishmash of different things. So I have references from biology that I look into, I have references from mid-century design, and then in my subconscious I have cultural references from where I grew up. So in a way, they all kind of come together into the work that I produce.